Bring it back.
Panthers, welcome to the WPNN. My name is Bree.
And my name is Maya. It's a fine day to be a Panther.
In the sports news, our boys basketball team will play Vieiro today. This is an away game.
Freshmen will play at 5:15, junior varsity plays at 6:15, and the varsity game will begin at 7:15 p.m.
Also playing tonight is our boys soccer team. They will play at Palm Bay High. This is also an away game.
Junior varsity will play at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7.
Panthers, it's time for some holiday cheer. Please see the list of our 12 days of holiday dress-up days. The 12 days of holiday dress-up days will begin on Thursday, December 7th and continue throughout the month of December through the 22nd.
Start planning your outfits now and please join the staff and teachers in this festive event. Tomorrow begins with the theme Candy Cane Lane, where you can dress in red and white.
Panthers, are you interested in playing in tennis? There will be a tennis meeting on Thursday, December 14th for anyone who's interested in trying out for the boys or girls tennis team.
The meeting will be from 3:40 p.m. to 4 p.m. in room 6113. If you have any questions, see Coach Edwards.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Have a great day
and go Big Blue!